Now, we are going to learn how to use different methods to start a Scratch program. Before we start, make sure you already open your browser and log in your scratch.mit.edu. Make sure you already log in by using your Scratch account, already sign in. Once you already sign in, click Create to start a fresh new project. Let's have a look. At the beginning, this project is empty. You don't have any other algorithms at the coding plane. The default sprite is the cat sprite. So now, we want to set a random algorithm here as demo. I will just be very quick. I click the event and drag out when the green flag click. When the green flag clicks, it is a starting of an event. And now I use the control to drag out a forever loop. Previously, you already learned how to change to the next costume. Alright, this is just an animation of the cat sprite. And now you can see the starting of the event is when the green flag click. That's why when you move your mouse cursor to the green flag and give a click, now the animation will start changing and repeatedly forever to change to the next costume. Alright, when you click the stop button, it will stop at there. If you click the green flag, then it will start all over again. So now, what we are going to learn is a different method to start the program. After the next costume, I just want to add a time control, wait for 1 second, because I feel it is going too fast already. Now I try. This is the animation. I put it as 0.5. It is better. Now you can see the animations. It is moving. Now, alright, because of the starting of the program is when the green flag click, then when activate it, when the green flag click, then it will start to perform. It will start all the algorithms at the following here inside the forever loop. Now, if I just separate it, then after that I click the green flag, nothing will happen. So now we want to try other methods to start the event. Under the event, you can see you have different algorithms. The first one is when the green flag clicks. You already tried many times. And you look at the next one, when the space key press. And what is this? And next, when this sprite click, what is this? Now, you can just have a look. When the space key press, the space actually is the keyboard button. From here, you can change to any keyboard button. Let's say if I join my forever loop at here, now. That means when the space button, the space key press, it will start the program. But how about if now I click the green flag? When I click the green flag, now nothing happens. But if I hit the space bar now, hit the space bar on my keyboard, now it start the program already, you can see. Then I stop it. Now I hit my space, the space key again, then it starts. Then I stop it. At this time, when I click the sprite, nothing will happen. Alright, now we are going to try the next. When this sprite click, what will happen? When this sprite click, if we join the forever loop to when this sprite click, then the method to start the event already changed. If you press the space bar on your keyboard, nothing happens. Because under when the space key pressed, is nothing here. When you click the green flag, nothing happens. just because of under these events when the green flag click. There's no such algorithm following below. But now when this sprite click means you have to move your mouse cursor to the sprite and click on the sprite, it will activate the whole program. It will activate all of this program. And that's all. These are the way to use different methods to start an event, and today we have learned when the green flag click. Previously we all use this, and today we learn when any of the keyboard button press, and also when this sprite click. You can let the sprite to become the activator to activate an event. There's no problem. Just like this. That's all. And once you already try this, always remember to save under your project. So now I will just name it different ways to start an event. This is my project name, and I'm going to click File, Save Now, and now you can close. That's all.